Yeah. What's up, guests? Yeah, it's a weekend, so I can do early streams and I don't have my parents around. Why does the mouse keep getting disconnected? So, early streams because I don't have anything else to do. Oh, yo, Bedro, I'm sorry I had to step out early yesterday. I just got a call from a friend that I haven't spoken to in almost a year. Was catching up with him. Yeah. How are you? Why does the game keep tabbing out? Meow, meow, meow. I want to try to get this game done. Back at school, some all America in there, but he's what? Change his mind at the end. Bruh. I've been also having school dreams, but it's like I was doing my A levels again. Objectively more scarier though. Just kidding. But A levels is like defines the course of your life. Why is everyone dreaming about their school lately? All right. I meant something. I know what you meant. It is scary. It's not something I would ever experience. I would ever worry about. Where did this take? Oh. To get the door keys. Oh, that's where the door is. So, fuck. Do this. Oh, I know. Ah. No. Damn it. Does it happen in your state though? Like, is it common in New York? Okay. Hey, I got him. Now. Metal detectors at entrances. What? It was that bad that they would. Did they catch anything? BB gun. Were you allowed phones in your school bedroom? Oh, I'm gonna unlock this new ability. Phones were fine. No, we couldn't have one eye open and can't type. Are you waking up? Are you, Kes? Um, Phones were not allowed in my school. They would check your bags to see if you brought a phone. And they'd confiscate it and give it to you at the end of the day if they found. Yeah. The teacher. Oh. Hold Y near lanterns or enemy projectiles. Oh, I love this ability. Oh, with classwork? That's nice. I guess I don't know how it changed after I left, but won't it become more useful with studies, right? Kaboom. Can I go up there? Oh wait, I know water. Kaboom. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Did you just wake up, Bedro? Damn it. How is your project going? Oi. Dave. Oh, I have 2 ability points. Life efficiency. Ultra light burst. Soul link. 2 life cells. Whatever you were working on yesterday. But you got paid for that project? Oh my god. Paid for QRU. Oh no. When do you get paid? I think I did. Confidential. Whoa. I'm making big moves. He signed an NDA. Just for the client only. They like explain this gap in your resume. He's like, no, I signed an NDA. Oh shit, what's this? A baddie. I guess I are. Let me save here. Ah, got him. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, I don't want to go up there yet. Something in here. Oh well. You might use that line into. Okay. The heart of the ginso tree once kept the elements of the water safe, but now it's corrupted. All foul and decayed. But help cure it and cleanse it all blight by removing corruption on the both of the sides. Wow. Left first. Partially white coded by someone else. Is this the confidential one? I don't have enough context. I don't like. Oi. Yeah, I don't know what your situation is. You feel like you have a big workload already? Oh, I need to unlock this. I'm here. I'm here, Spidey. And and there's nothing interesting to talk about on that. Oh, talk about it in an interview. Um, excuse me. If you don't think it's gonna help you come up with anything interesting to talk about in an interview, then and like you have don't really have the time, the cost benefit doesn't add up, right? You shouldn't do it. But if you do have the time, do it. It's extra money, it's extra experience, it's a connection, a network connection, right? Mm. Good. Rise and shine, Petrito. See you later, man. Oh, I need to open that. Oh, Petrito. Now, how do I handle this? Do I? Oh, I see. I see. Yeah. Am I gonna first try this? Holy moly! First try. Kaboom! Okay. Right. Moment of truth. This level was so hard when I did it as a kid. Just listen. The waters will be clean again. Uh-oh. No! No! Again? Come on. Did I get it? Oh, yeah. Yes! Okay, 2 tries. The owl. Shh, mad. Big mad. Run, biatch. No! Oh, they didn't save me? Fight of our kind. It's happy that the waters are clean. You can't go there. Don't have the mullahs for there. I can swim. Go underwater. Can I bring him down here? Yo, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Guy's strong. How are you, Kiss? What are you up to? How do I get up there? Restful, yeah, I feel that. I slept really late and ended up waking up at 5 p.m. 4:30 p.m. I can't really go up there. I was up late. It was the weekend. I didn't really have any commitments. Oh, hey Theo! Hello Theo and Raiders, how are y'all? What do you get up to? Thank you for the raid. Hope you had a good stream. It's cooking, Theo. Huge. Hello, Mohammed there. What am I doing, sir? I'm playing this game that I used to play when I was a kid, like 11 years ago. Ori and the Blind Forest. Pretty fun. And it's rewarding. Hot dog flavor water? Was it tasty? Guys, if you don't follow Theo already, like cybersecurity, he's your guy. What up, Nail Pointer? Chupapi right back at you. Hello, Quad Shot Kung Fu. Welcome. Alright, let me introduce. I'm Abu. I also work in cybersecurity. I've been in the industry 9 years. I do variety. I guess a bit of software dev, a bit of cybersecurity. So like, yeah, I'm in that world. When I'm overwhelmed, I just do whatever I feel like doing, and I play games, I hang out, I yap. We talk pop culture, we talk tech, we geek out on retro stuff as well, all over the place. Welcome in. Hello, Fallen Learns. I'm surprised I wasn't following you all this time. I see me all the time. Yeah. Hell yeah. Appreciate the follow, Fallen Learns. No, for Quad, sorry. Appreciate the follow, Quad Shot Kung Fu. But today, I had like this week, I am just chilling, not pushing myself too hard because I had a hectic 2 weeks at work dealing with a regulatory audit. It's like similar to GDPR, but this country's equivalent of GDPR. So either we have the evidence for it or we come up with justifications. And it was a lot of justifications. I try to be as truthful as possible, but then the CEO is like, no, we can't tell that. It'll get us in trouble. I'm like, okay, but like, can you put it on paper that you don't want to tell that in particular? Because I don't want to get into trouble if they find out we're lying. I forgot my Discord password again and logged out. Audit? Having to do PCI audits? Well, when you're in cybersecurity, earlier in your career, it's fun. I mean, it's a mix. If you start off as an L1 and L1, the analyst route, you're mostly going to be looking at the SIEM, the dashboard for alerts, and you escalate when a high or severity alert happens. Or if you can handle it, you talk to whoever is in charge of like what needs to be fixed directly and get it resolved. But from most of my experience, it's just people looking at dashboards, and the ones who are driven, they'll be learning in parallel, and they'll do certs and they'll try to move up. And they'll get like security engineering role. They'll be the ones in charge of implementing the SOC. And then this whole pen testing and infra hardening, blah, blah, blah. But as you move up the ladder, it becomes less of that. And you're more of a manager, and it's more dealing with Excel spreadsheets and compliance audits. Depending on where you're working. I work at a fintech. Your company is gonna have to comply with local regulations, and they'll have all sorts of like standards you need to be comply with. Yeah, so I work in Saudi Arabia right now, and in Saudi Arabia we have the GDPR equivalent called PDPL, Personal Data Protection Law, and the governing body is called SADAYA, so that's the Saudi Data and AI Authority. So SADAYA said that they're gonna come inspect us next week, so tomorrow, and they gave us a list of things that we need to have ready by yesterday. So the last 2 weeks was like, hey, we don't have a lot of these things in place, and was working on getting those things ready alongside all of the technical, the SOC stuff, because I came in to do security architecture work, but I'm also the only cybersecurity hire. There's a lot of scope creep in my company. I used to build SMB firewalls and network for hospitality. Quad is fine, nice. Quad. I used to build SMB firewall network for hospitality industry to PCI standards, but not certified, of course. Yeah, it's best that you like the standards out there. Like you can harden it just purely from a technical standpoint, but if you follow a standard, because there's always security work you can do, right? But if you harden without following a standard and later you do get audited or something does happen, if you show that you follow the standard to the best of your ability, that kind of covers due care and due diligence, and blame doesn't come your way. Oh, you're from Jeddah. Nice. I live in Riyadh, Mohammed. I'm not Saudi, but I'm an expat here. I love Jeddah. My aunt lives in Jeddah. Is that the water the fountain in Jeddah, the water fountain at Corniche? Is that still the biggest water fountain in the world, or did someone beat it? Oh wait, let me see Bedro's meme. So far, yeah. Bedro said he sent a meme. Bro, it's his Facebook link. What the heck? Why are you sending me a Facebook link? Why didn't it? What's up with the audio?
Burger King foot, yeah! Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce! The last thing that you'd want in your chocolate starfish is somebody else's hot dog flavored water, but it turns out that might be what you get! It's gonna make you want to pack a chainsaw! You skin your ass raw! Yeah!
You work in telecom, Fallen learns? That's cool. Telecom's a lot going on. Red mustache, this guy looks like Mario Bros. Hey, followers, you've seen my stream before? Or when you say you've seen me all the time, you've seen me on chats, because I am a serial chatter. Mm. That's nice. You lurk. Oh, okay, okay. So then you're like, oh, okay, there you're like, no, I'm surprised I didn't follow you yet, and then proceeds not to follow me. What the heck? Thank you to follow Moment Dev. You clicked it? Wait, I didn't get the notification. Yo, hot dog flavor water. Wait, that's weird. I don't see. Wait, why didn't I get the notification? That's weird. Yeah, Twitch just doesn't want you to follow me, I guess. Mohammed, are you an expat or are you Saudi? Oh no, I'm cooked, I'm cooked, I'm cooked, I'm cooked. How do I get up there? Oh, I know, that's down. I've discovered everything I need. It's broken. All good. It's just like, just fucking with you. Kaboom. How? Oh, I need the stronger to deal with that baddie. I'm like 2 followers away from 500 as well. It's gonna be big. Yo, it worked now. Nice. Take a follow. Let's go. Let's go. But yeah, telecom is insane. I could follow twice if I've helped. Okay. Um, extension. Yeah, the extensions are um weird. I had to disable my FFZ blah 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 because it was getting in the way. And mobile is terrible. Yeah, but the chat experience, how I use it is I use this app called Dank Chat. So if you're on Android, I guess on iOS there's, yeah, I use Dank Chat. I really like Dank Chat. It's a funny name. There's also another app that starts with I'm not logged in, and then you use IRRSI to chat. IRRSI. All right, because Twitch is IRC. Interesting. Is it a terminal? Oh, oh, this is cute. And they have themes. You're learning so much on my channel already. I'm playing a video game. Give me a sec. I'm trying out this new code red. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's malt. Just take care of my heart. Yeah. Wait, Quad, you know Code Red? Are you based in the Middle East? Because it's a Middle Eastern brand. Malt will keep the arteries clean. Oh, it's know a lot of culture food drinks. Yeah. Code Red is my fave energy drink here. Here in the colonies, Code Red is a Mountain Dew soda. I remember. Okay, what do I do? Yeah, I'm half Sri Lankan, half Indian. I grew up in Saudi. I was born and raised here. Then I lived in Canada for 8 years. And then the job market in Canada just was not looking good. And my work visa in Canada expired. Now I'm here. Job market here also is like very tough. You need to know people. It's like, oh my god. It's Punjabi. Terrible not knowing the correct one. But we used to explore cultural foods every Thursday. Yeah. To be fair, like I'm half Indian. I'm Hyderabadi. I don't know all of the different cultures in India. So like, it's a big country. There's a lot going on. And there's so many languages. And I don't even speak my mother tongue or the tongue of my mother very well. Or my father. People at work give me a hard time. They're like, you were in Saudi your whole life. How come you don't speak Arabic? I grew up around 4 languages. I surrounded by 4 languages, and English was a common theme. So it was hard for me to commit to learning one well. In California, traveled all over CONUS for work. What's CONUS? Sending upgrading socks. Now you're a sock guy. I now reside in the great state of Texas. Fortunately, state troopers require I say this. Don't speak Spanish, and I'm Mexican American. Ooh, are you a no sabo kid? That's the term they say, right? Is that no sabo kid? Oh, continental United States. You're French Canadian, so you get. I lived in Montreal for 3 of the years that I lived in Saudi, by the way. No sabo, except they call you pocho if you're Mexican and you don't speak Spanish. Oh, okay. Milo was the stoutest of all the spirits, the most powerful ever seen. Now he rests, turns into an ancestral tree. New power, but before that, let's unlock this. Hey, come here. Means to Americanize, yeah. When I visit my relatives in India and Sri Lanka, they consider me very westernized. I'm like, west of where? West of you guys? But yeah, they also call me a coconut. White on the, brown on the outside, white on the inside. Yeah. But how is I have not been to Texas. I visited California in November. I visited San Diego for TwitchCon, and then I went to LA. But when I went to LA, I was in, what's the beach? The beach that looks like straight out of GTA 5 with the Ferris wheel and everything. Not Malibu. Here, let's get the map out. It was beautiful. Venice Beach. I was in Venice Beach. So we walked around Venice Beach a lot. Yeah. And I liked the vibes. And we went hiking. I don't remember where, but I have not visited like the Hollywood parts of LA. The friend group that I was with are very outdoorsy. Let me see if I can get photos of where we went. It was October 2025. Probably be Santa Monica Mountains. There was somewhere there over here. Yeah, it was beautiful. Where's Venice Beach? Over here. Yeah. So yeah, I pretty much stayed in Santa Monica the entire time. Are you going to Comic Con? Kokosha. Are you going to Comic Con? You know how far I live from the UK, right? I can't just casually say like, "Hey, I'm coming to Comic Con." If they give you visa, yeah. See, I need to work on getting the visa and everything. And in October, I want to go to I want to visit the US again in October. I'm gonna go to TwitchCon again. And then I want to go to New York. And visit a couple friends there. So the thing about American visa is you get it once and you have a visa that's valid for 5 years. Whereas in the for UK, okay, I haven't tried UK, but for Europe, your first time they give you a 1 month visa and it's a lengthy process. SF Barriers place for tech in USA should visit San Francisco. I do sometime. Maybe I can accommodate it in this trip. I don't know a lot of people in San Fran. Like I know of people, but we don't know each other. Right, break that. Try never been. Yeah, you should. You should try Kokosha. Because I already have plans, and Comic Con is not something that I feel very passionate about to want to go. I would go to see the people. How do I get up there? con at local hotel venue in SF. Yeah, at some point. No. Yeah, there's a way. Wait, there's a lantern. Why can't I access the lantern? Damn it. Montreal is the place in Quebec where they like English speakers. Yeah, but even in Montreal, during that, I don't know, there was when I went there, when I started living there, there's this that francophone movement that was happening, right? Or like they set up a policy where you need to provide services in French regardless. So it was weird. The barista that I would visit would usually like deal with me in English. All of a sudden there's a big switch up and she started dealing with me in French. Like, what's going on? Yeah. I it's my favorite city on earth. I really love Montreal. I left at a good time. Jobs were hard to come by, so I had to kind of leave, but I didn't really want to leave. B-sides? B-sides is security conference, right? Stacks is where? What's unless you speak French, yeah. And I've had a hard time. San Antonio, Texas. Visiting Texas would be fun. I don't know what it's like. And the US is so big, like people generalize the US. There's so many different like ways of life in one huge country. It's just 50 different countries clumped into one. Oh, that guy's gunning for me. Wait, how do I leave this place? Oh, there's another way out. Just dumps us and leaves. Rude. That's okay. He's a busy guy. Theo comes by. Stand. Wait, so there's nothing here. Oh, up there. I went too far down. Theo was one of the, I guess you could say, the second person I raided when I first started streaming. Because I wanted to do cybersecurity stuff and meet other cybersecurity streamers. So when I was looking for someone to raid, I was looking for someone that was doing cyber live. You've already forgotten? Well, to be honest, I was like a little confused. So I was thinking of Theo Brown. And then like, wait. Oh, the cybersecurity Theo. Okay, how do I get up there now? Am I still stuck? It's a, oh, he had to go do something urgent? What was he doing today? More Active Directory? But if I want to know anything about Active Directory pen testing, he's my guy. And that's B7H3O. Alright, come here, baddie. Or do I go up? No, there's nothing. Not sure. Wait, how do I... Oh wait, I need to clear the water first. Right. Okay. Now that makes sense. Now I can kaboom. I have one ability point. What can I use it on? Everything else requires 2 now. Okay. Do you guys play Hollow Knight? Any Hollow Knight fans? Part of AD was in shambles, still is. That was over 2 years ago. Yeah. I guess every organization, because I'm relatively younger, right? Every organization that I've been part of had been using the online Entra. Instead of Active Directory. So the online version, yeah, Azure Entra. It's crazy how like they lock you in, the vendor lock in when you start off with Entra, and then to save costs, you're just better off going with other Microsoft services, because not just like money cost, time cost, because of the integration with everything else. But they have this Microsoft Security Center, right? That reviews your Entra and configuration. There's like a cloud security posture management for Entra. Sounds good, Penguin. Penguin, I didn't know you were around. Hello. Or did I miss saying hi to you? Oh, there's a path downward. How do I... There should be a way. Damn it. Safe route to purchases who are not into tech. Yeah. And then you're already vendor locked in when the company grows, right? They do make things a lot simpler, but everything comes with money. For example, impersonation protection, spam protection. It's just a click of a button. You purchase the feature, the Defender for O365, and boom. No more spam. Zentio. What's Zentio? Your entire non-cloud bare metal company? How do you manage the uptime? We're fully like reliant on cloud. I can't trust the people in our company to keep things running. And we need to show regulators, right, that we have DRs in place. We need to have like a DR in a separate city, and managing that ourselves would be very costly. Then, oh, your telecom. Okay, that makes sense. I forget. Yeah, telecoms manage their own. That makes sense. It would be very expensive to rely on someone else. Easy server solution alternative to Windows Server. Join Windows clients to domain and manage them transparently. Oh, what? Interesting. So it's like a one-to-one drop-in replacement for Active Directory. Sweet. Are they open source? You got to pay them for this service. Okay. Then, oh, they are open source. Oh, they have a community edition. Okay. Nice. Same. Um, was it Quad that said he upgraded socks? Let me check. Yeah, you upgraded socks. Yeah. I implemented the sock at my current company, and man, saved so much money. And I'm trying to justify a raise, right? For like how much and I used Wazoo. We got Wazoo working. And it's crazy how everything lined up, because Claude Code started like I was not someone that trusted AIs until like I still have trust issues, but I like Claude decently. But I set up the whole SOC with Claude assistance. Usually that would take like multiple people, many like months of work, setting up the decoders, the regex, custom scripts. But with Claude, I was able to get the whole SOC up and running in a month and a half. We're ingesting around 2.4 GB of data from the different data sources. We're no AI. Oh, yeah, no, my company is like CEO is so AI pilled. Let's see. Here. So we are using a lot of AI. Sounds good. Enjoy your pee. Make sure to wash your hands before peeing. How do I? No! No, I have to do it again. I should have saved. But I'm trying to justify like why I need a raise by showing how much we've saved the company by not going with Google Chronicle because part of our workloads, majority of our workloads run on Google, and that would have cost us just for the platform around $150,000 a year. And if we went with a managed SOC solution, um, who also uses like, so Wazoo's built on Elastic Stack, Elk Stack, and since then, isn't your current thought to research what you mean a raise for having research? I don't research, bruh. I do research and I implement. When is my job a security researcher? I've implemented the whole stock at my own company. Like, run Greylog at home for PF Sense. Show the CEO your setup. How you have local AI analyze your logs and suggest steps, but not act. And he was floored. Now we're buying a few. Oh, let's go. Your place until you showed up. Sweet. Let me show you my stack. A little detour. So I have a server in Canada, which my brother is running. I got these bad boys for 450 total and a HP network switch. I have only one running. My brother had one of them sold. Topics. And follow the route to Zero. Hey, yeah. Let me make it easy for you. For Twitter and Insta are what I should post on. um so I was after I left Canada, I didn't want Blue Sky as well. Like I guess I use this. So if you know Kevin Norton Jr., he has this tool called Ferryman. Um and I just have Ferryman connected to like Blue Sky and Mastodon, and I just post on Twitter, and it syncs my posts to the other platforms. But I don't really go out of my way to open those apps unless someone engages with me. So I was after I left Canada, I wanted a VPS or like a server to host things on, but I didn't want to bother my brother with managing and keeping the uptime, keeping it up. But because of the rising RAM prices, all of the providers have increased their prices significantly. Like Hetzner increased their 12 GB instance by $10. So I was paying around 45 Canadian dollars a month. So I told him to set up one of the servers, put all of the RAM sticks we have in there. So this one has 100 GB of RAM, 24 CPU cores. We got one container, an LXC container running Tailscale. So that's how I'm accessing this right now. And then we have OpenSense, which handles the networking for Empire Rusi, which has my web services. So like if you go to links.abu.guru, it's on the Empire Rusi. And then I have like a bunch of other services like TV. This is for educational purposes. My own TV website that's locked behind Discord auth. What's going on? Anyways, what else do I have hosted there? Let me bring it up. My demos obviously. Docker. That's we have the TV website, the Discord auth middleware for prox for traffic. So traffic is so I'm using password authent. It's not a big deal if everything's hidden behind tailscale fallen. Why would I wanna the issue with key-based authentication is I have to like move my keys from everywhere I want to access it. I'd rather just install. Yeah, I know, no, no. I know you're raging. I rage baiting me. Okay, so Cloudflare is the main bodyguard, but it doesn't handle the routing. Cloudflare points to traffic, right? Traffic looks at the subdomain and then routes me to like TV or links. I have Dino, which is pterodactyl for game server hosting. That would be Dino, what other Guru. There's a Cobblemon server and a Factorio server. Atlas is here. He's come to bother me. Oh, say hi. Let you chill in your spot. Yeah. Yeah. What else do I have? I have a for Jeho instance for storing code, and then a runner to for CI/CD, and then I'm running CRXNG, so it's search engine. But I don't use CRXNG. The reason I spun it up is because I have an OpenClaw instance, which is heavily locked down. Where is OpenClaw? Claw Gateway. It's not working now, and I'm not paying much attention because I'm going to sunset. Where do you get that info, or does it have its own bot? Get what info, Kess? Are you talking about this info? There's Docker PS where you get the running containers, right? Docker PS. But this is not real time, so you don't see RAM and everything. Where if you do Docker stats, CRX engine, I just run CRXNG. SCRXNG. You're like Loki Abu. Why is it not working? Damn it. HTTP connection error. Oh, there's an issue. I need to fix it. That's why my OpenClaw is tweaking out. Okay. Anyways, CRXNG. You can self-host it yourself. Yeah. Anyways, I set up OpenClaw and I made this service called Stream Panopticon, which listens which transcribes my Twitch streams and pulls chat. So every stream has a transcription and chat along with it with timestamps. How I set up OpenClaw before is every 10 minutes it'll do a pass through the chat and the transcription of my stream and will respond accordingly on Twitch chat. But it broke. I'm not bothered to fix it because I unsubscribed from GLM5 and it'll expire soon. So I don't want to really put time into fixing it. And at the end of my stream, it will do a full pass and find clippable moments. It'll summarize what the stream was about and highlight, like, who are the more engaging chatters. And it maintains like a bunch of knowledge bases. So if I go to Docker, OpenClaw, Workspace, it has channels is all of the Discord channels it has access to. Community is like the vibes of the community, which gets updated based on a full pass against the Discord and the Twitch streams. And friends is the people that it interacts with on Discord and Twitch, and it keeps a record of the vibes. Yeah, that's just the gist of it. And it posts to Mastodon and Blue Sky every morning, and it has access to like a bunch of RSS feeds and search engine to search according to it. Like it will rank it according to community to see like if it's something that our community would find interesting, and then it'll post about it. No, just mine. Just mine. I wouldn't really do that without their permission. And already doing this makes me run out of tokens. So just for my channel, I can't really spend the money to, yeah. This is just everything my, it would, um, even the information that it collects on everyone, it posts to a public Google Drive. If people aren't happy with something being there, they can just ask me and I'll take it out. It's funny though. Hot dog flavor water. I don't know if he's around. He directly asked Clankosi, which is the name of the bot, and there's like one channel that everyone has access to test the limits or try to jailbreak it. Asked the bot to remove all information it has on him, and I was like, no, Clankosi, don't do it. And he was like, you may have backups of everything, but to the best of my ability, I need to respect hot dog flavor water. What is request, even if you own me and my infrastructure. And it went against my wishes. Hey, welcome, Fallen. Yeah. We mostly talk in the water cooler channel, but it's mostly me just ranting to myself. Yeah, that's my infra. The Empiracy has all of those web services I just showed you. And then there's no port forwarding that happens here. But the game server has port forwarding. Oh, the other cool thing, because I have OpenSense, I use Bell Internet in Montreal. Bell doesn't allow you to use an alternative modem. Gross. Doesn't allow you to use an alternative modem as the router. You have to use the Bell modem as the routers. But I wanted OpenSense to act as the router for these services. But what they do allow is if you do connect another router, so we connected this server directly to the Bell router, you can request for a second dynamic IP, right? So OpenSense has a dynamic IP of its own and is separate from the home network, like what my the rest of the home network. So if I port forward the game servers, it's on a different dynamic IP than the rest of the home network. I can though. Hit me. Yeah, no, I figured it out with the fiber network. PP. Yeah, yeah. I got all of that set up. I have the. Do you see B my B1 number? No, don't apologize. I appreciate you were trying to help out. Yeah. So I figured it out, and you get a second dynamic IP, which is kind of interesting. That is a nightmare to work with. Yeah, but their speeds are good. I haven't. Who else provides fiber? In does Rogers? Wait, what's your preferred provider then? You do? Okay, okay. I don't know which telecom, and I don't want you to dox yourself. All right, wonderful. Yeah, yeah. Feel free to DM me. Damn it! How do I get there? Oh, wait. I think I know. Come here. Not gonna work. Long living telecom. They're very crooked. The telecom is like a cartel in Canada. Yeah. Soul requires restores 2 life cells. Energy efficiency. Energy pickup rewards 50 more energy. Increase strength and radius of light burst. Run out of energy, so let's do that. Now how? And lose 1 life to that. Okay. Oh, we're back here. Could I not unlock that? Okay. That and that. Auto 91%. But yeah, my CEO wants Claude in the loop for DevSecOps. I told him that's ridiculously expensive. You can't just expect like to use a Claude Code subscription to handle it as well. And I said like there are good Chinese models now, and they're getting close in the benchmarks. We'll just wait a little bit. We'll fine tune everything we have right now, and then when the benchmarks get better, then we'll put a Chinese model in the loop. I don't think we're gonna buy like 5090s, but we're probably gonna use NVIDIA NIM to set that up. We do permanent, you're gonna use enterprise grade cards. Damn, son. Damn it. 5090 on the 5090 when you upgrade. Guess they're just gonna be sitting around. Jealous. Bro, Nvidia is doing some sort of giveaway for 5080s. I kind of want to get my hands on one. I did apply. I'm trying to see if I can finish this game today. I want 100% it. Not lie. Don't do any AI work on it. Dev machine is crap. What's your dev machine? Because I don't plan on living in Saudi long term. These are my specs. What the fuck? 4070. It's still struggling to play like high-end titles because of how it handles heating, how it handles cooling. Get up there. I don't unlock that. There's a different part of the map. Yo, you use Gen 2? How's Gen 2 been? I have a friend that was using Gen 2 but switched out to Cache recently because he couldn't be bothered to compile for a piece of software he wanted. That's your dev system. 1060 for dev system, not bad. Oh, i7 8700K. So it's a bit old. I do a lot of my dev work on the VPS, right? So my work computer is a ThinkPad. I don't know which generation i7. It's pretty solid. I like it. Stop turning off on. But this one is from 2014. HP Spectre X360. It's touchscreen as well. I wanted to just go pure Arch, but I was too lazy to rise it. So I ended up using Omarchi, which I feel very embarrassed to admit. And I have not had the time to change it. Works for you except when it decides to break due to new kernel. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta get these. Down here. How do I get the one up there? With Linux, the keyboard's gone. Can you not find a replacement and revive it? Yay. Oh, fuck. Thank you. I did something really challenging. Not, but I understand that Peter as well position and always looking to improve and more. Yeah. Um, if you want something that's out of the box and has Arch, um, with DHH's opinionated workflow, which is something you'd have to like install to find out, right? And I kind of like um, how he has everything set up, except for the fact that he put in a lot of like his his company branding on it, like Basecamp and other tools that I wouldn't necessarily use. But he does have a minimal install as well. Arch is Canadian? What? I didn't know that. I think one of these days I want to do another rising stream origin. Oh yeah. Take the cat cam away because that was not there anymore. Rice is Canadian. Hello, Hack the Planner. Welcome. How are you? Are you from TheoStream? Atlas is blocking my view right now. I was playing this game called Farmer Was Replaced 2 days ago. Highly recommend. It's Pythonic though, like the language is Python. But pretty much the premise is you automate a drone. Stream it? I did. Were you there when I played it, Kes? He started Arch in March 2002. Only reason you know this is because your birthday is in March. Oh yeah. Have been the time you were sick. I played it like 2 days ago. I'll play more of it. Um, it was fun playing it, but then my mind kind of like hit a wall. Oh, I shouldn't have killed that guy. My mind hit a wall, and then when I stepped back, you know how like when you step back from a programming problem, you come up with all sorts of like creative solutions. So, and apparently you can, a lot of the code that you work on is stored as a py file locally, so you can use your own editor to automate it. So I want a whiteboard, like these are all the resources I have, this is what I can do, and then plan accordingly and then execute. It'll be a lot of fun. Go there and open those as well. Also this. These two. Okay, I know what I can do. Okay, we'll figure it out. For now, health. I also want to get back to doing CTS, and CTS are fun. I hope I score a position that's work from home that buys me the time and energy. YM? What's YM? YouTube music? Roadcaster virtual driver is busted. Do you stream as well? What the heck?
Benny, did you know they make an AI version of Donna?
Beanie74 says,
What
did
the
win a
fuck? Wait. 2 months ago, I gave you a follow. Wow, though, yeah, hell yeah. What are you gonna do with the like what are you mixing and why? Damn it! I'm gonna save more. That kills. No, again the same mistake. Same mistake. Oh, I don't need to go there. Yes. Then there's a door I can open. Come here. Can I toss you in the water? Yeah. I need how much energy for? Get that energy. Here. Oh. 2. From here. Or I can restore and come back. Yeah. Give me a bit. Get another drink. Whispers. Chug, chug, chug. I wonder where hot of the water is. It's high and gone. Hope he's okay. Yeah, we'll stream more farmer was replaced, and we'll approach it with strategy. Guess. Hopefully you'll be around to see it. I'll play it again. This time I'll be more strategic about my approach. We'll do whiteboard session and whatnot. Right? Oh, I can't go there yet. Yeah. Now what do I need to do? There is a bunch to unlock, but I need to get to a fountain. There's a fountain there. Double jump. Come on. That guy die? I wanted to pogo off him. Come here. Come here. Right? Yeah. Oh, it's locked. Then there's a water fountain down there. I know what we can do. Save. Alright. I go down? Yeah. Guys got any plans today and Sunday? For me, Sunday is the start of the work week, so I go to work tomorrow. Long weekend? Wait, what's the occasion? My parents are in Canada right now. They're with my brother. Oh, Victoria Day. My brother lives in Montreal. He's in Concordia right now. My sister is in Ontario. So they're visiting them. Boxing Day. Oh wait, what happened? The home of my friend. There yo. Yeah, I lived in Queen. I studied at Queens and I lived in Kingston for 5 of the 8 years I was there. So Kingston for 5 years. Oh, this is where this new area is. Oh. Yeah, Kingston's not all right. I mean, I have like fond memories. It can be back at times. Um, but the student area, like downtown student area, is pretty sweet. There's the occasional crackhead. I saw I didn't go. What was this last performance of what's his name from from American Cities? What's the name of that band? That's from Kingston. Why is my mind blanking out? No, Weezer. Band from Kingston, Ontario. The Tragically Hip. Their last concert with Gord Downey. Yeah. So they were performing in the center that was there, but they live streamed it to the downtown square. So like almost all of Kingston was in like one in the at the town square that time, and the vibe was really nice. Blackroot Burrows. It's dark. Do I need some sort of light? Man. They're a good band. Cannot create a soul link in an unsafe. I can't? Okay, there's a fountain nearby. So how do I get up there? Do I unlock triple jump here or something? Oh. Door is locked. Yeah, so I'm not supposed to fall down. Which premiered in 2024. Was that, did they show any video footage from, one of my friends was the band member's daughter. Well, the drummer's daughter. Yo, what's up, Nightshade dude? What are you up to, man? This BS. Let's look at it. Oh, damn. Only one hand. So close. No, I didn't remember the band name. Yeah, that's just how my mind works. Wow. Okay, what do now? What is this? Light. Oh, it burns that. Okay, cool. Oh, and reveal stuff. Yeah. I need to like make connections with words, right? Before able to. I wish I hadn't Googled it. I wish I just tried even harder. They named a street after them. They call it the Tragically Hip Way, which is pretty sweet. Chris Isaacs from your hometown? Bro, I know a Chris Isaacs song, but why is it coming to my mind? I feel like Nightshade dude shared a Chris Isaacs song recently. What was it? Wait, isn't it the... My mind is fucked, Nightshade dude. You did share a Chris Isaacs song. But I played a different version that you didn't like. Wicked game, there you go. He went back to celebrate town naming a street after him, and the shop owner where he visited as a kid chewed him out for having to print new business cards. Why? Because there's a lot of oh, because the street name. That's funny. Okay, now how or what do I do? Or I do. How do I take it up there? Keep it here for now. Is that gate that I need to open? I just don't get it. Oh. Now, worst part about this level is I have only one try. Hey. You fixed the audio issue? Nice. Okay. I came from... Did I come from there? Oh! No! Do I do it again? Damn it. Alright. Damn it. Key to uninstall virtual driver, remove driver left over from device manager. Wait, are you doing this on Gen 2? Back it up and get VSTs to work on it. Nice. Yeah, Roadcaster runs Linux. And you can SSH into it. Oh, okay, okay. Wait, Roadcaster runs Linux. This is the is it a mic or damn it, a device like one of those mixers? Roadcaster Pro 2. Oh, mixer, okay. You want you want to see my mixer config? It's all I have all of the VB cables. So I got all of the VB cables, right? So A through B. So I have A, B, D, C, and so DMCA and Firefox is D, which doesn't go into the WAD track for Twitch. Discord is another cable. Edge is A, game is C, right? And I can adjust the audio levels. So like if I do properties, you see cable C. And when I can adjust the volume levels for that you guys get from here, right? But how I adjust my volume levels is I do Windows G. I do Windows G on this screen. God damn it. Windows. Stop it. Here. On this screen, then I get all of the cables so I can adjust the music levels here. And it won't affect you guys. It'll just affect the volume levels I hear and see for the game. And I just route the game music. So every time I get a new game, I have to set it up over here, route the game to cable C. That's my full software mixer setup. It does the job. Yes, if you ever get a new PC, it's just there. What? I don't know what you're talking about, man. You said best if you ever get a new PC, it's just there. What's just where? People were pissed off that GoXLR stopped support, so the new jump to Rodecaster Pro 2 was to go. The problem is that they didn't have VST and some of the stuff just sucks. So for your hacker mind, you thought you would see if you can install VST. It uses Jack D in the background for audio handling. Nice. The cool thing about putting a hackable OS that it runs on or firmware that it runs on. Hi, fuck. Okay. Got all this thing all the way here. I don't get what we're supposed to do now. can't go up there. Bring this here. Yes, I still don't know what the hell you're saying, man. What is best? Wellness check on Sly the other day. Yeah, she's doing good. Yeah, she got a job. And it is quite tough to have to maintain it all while being employed. I saved it. Okay, but I don't know what I need to do. I have 2 ability points. Ultra light burst. Ability markers. Ability cells. Oh. Creating soul link restores 2 life cells. To dash to attack enemies. Interesting. Requires ultra soul link. Then get burnt out. I was like that. People think that I'm a workaholic. I just do what I feel. I don't know. If it feels like play to me, it doesn't. I wouldn't really call it work. But like me coming online and streaming and hanging out with people. I also don't like force myself to do something I don't feel like doing. Right? I'm not sticking to a schedule. I'm not like lining up. Oh, today we're gonna do this. Tomorrow we're gonna do that. I may say I do, but I don't follow it because I don't want to burn myself out. I just want to hang out and let my mind wander. And I like talking. But other people who look from the outside, they're like, how am I working so much? Like I go to work and then I come home and I'm streaming and doing all these other stuff and learning. It doesn't feel like work to me. Only being at work, being at the office feels like work. If I had work from home, I bet I'd enjoy my job more. I just don't like fluorescent lighting. I don't like talking to people that I don't want to be talking to. And when you're at work, you mask, even if you don't want to. It just, that environment brings that version out of you where you got to stay professional and I can't put my feet on the table, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, have fun. I just don't know what I need to do. I'm stuck. Think. I bought this light. Do I just gamble and jump? Oh! I do gamble and jump. So, alright. I'm dying. Ay, 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 ay. I'm dead. No! Damn it! Damn it, I should have saved. I should. God damn it. But yeah, I played this as a kid, and earlier last year I was feeling like I want to play something that feels like Ori and the Blind Forest, and then I saw Hollow Knight as a recommendation, and I played Hollow Knight early last year. A good time. Silk Song though is really tough. I'm still stuck on the Lost Judge. Wait. Isn't there something I can unlock? No! Hopefully, I'm doing okay overall. Die. Really good vibes. Oh, go down. Yeah. Starting there. And I cannot go there. Map. Nice. Big map. Okay. Oh, I need to unlock this tree, I believe. Fuck! No! Damn it! I didn't save. Oi! So, save. Oh, interesting. So, what this do? Can leave this here. Oh! Oh, I can place the orb there. Can bring light. Where's my light? Kaboom. Let's go. Tree. New ability. Dash. Oh. And there's something down, but I'm afraid. Okay, let's check it out. And go there. No! Maybe I should have gone up there. We'll see. Go up there. More down. A big map. Here. No! I should have saved. When I'm back. There's more to the left that I haven't unlocked. Oh, this is hometown. I don't think I explored this area when I first played. Not part of the main storyline. You beat it, you. So much going on. Go down. Oh, there's another tree. Another ability. Light burst. Cast a light burst. Oh. Oh! Oh. Right. Damn it. Pick it up there. Charge dash. Ability markers. I'm gonna say it reminds you of Silk Song, Hollow Knight. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's not as rage inducing. No. Did you finish Silk Song, Fallen? Hi back. I'm Dad. Hollow Knight is meant to be rage inducing, yes. No! Come on! Okay, we will get to that soon when I feel ready for it. I'm too traumatized by my skill issues. Okay. Direct. You're playing Elder Scrolls Online. Nice. I know an Elder Scrolls Online streamer. Say Nera. Friend of the channel. Right now, I tried getting into it, but then, and I wanted to commit playing more, but then like the company just did stuff that like left a bad taste in my mouth, and I don't want to get into it. So no more ESO. I will play Skyrim though, and I wanted to do that this weekend, but then I changed my mind last minute. I want to play Ori. I wanted to play Skyrim and learn the lore properly because every time I play it, I get 20% of the way into the game and then I quit. Zenimax drama? No, I don't know. It's just that it's more personal to me. Like someone I know got affected. That's it. That's all I'm gonna get into. But I'm playing Skyrim and I want to learn the lore. And then there's this roleplay server called Kaizal, and I got in. There's Kaizal Online, which has been popping off lately. So I want to learn the lore properly, and Kaizal happens after the event of Skyrim. So I want to do roleplay. I've never done roleplay before. It'll be interesting for me to see how I'll do, and it'll be good for like improv skills. Yeah, it's all right. So yeah, that's just, I really wanted to play ESO, but like the moves they've made was not, like it was personally affecting people in my life, so I thought like I don't want to support this. Funny thing is I saw another streamer on that Discord, S-Fan. So I guess he's gonna be doing Skyrim roleplay as well. Do I go down? Do I go up? Sure. Bash on light burst to reach greater heights. Where is... Oh! Like that? Oh, wait. That's cool. Alright. Wait, am I supposed to have used him to go all the way up there? I doubt it. Am I? No. Looks like I should have. We'll see. Yeah, no, that's not possible. Came from up there. Hey. Hey, it's teasing me. Wait. What? Oh! Can you come up here? No. Yeah, I did. Yeah. I just got really woozy at the end. And I wanted to keep going. And then I was having a back and forth with my friend and they were gonna come. I thought, okay, let me get the house ready and end. No. Jackie Blue. Jackie, did you change your name? Hello, Jackie. No more delamps. Jackie Red. Jackie Delamps. Give me a moment. God, I do not know who this Jackie Blue person is. It's an imposter, but you should follow them. To use the washroom, so enjoy cat.
Bad kitty! Bad Mr. Kitty!
But yeah, Nirpana, regarding the collab, I had fun. I wanted to spend time with those streamer friends. It's just that I I also want you guys to enjoy, right? So it's not like something I do often. It's like you're mixing communities. I have to behave. I don't know what kind of sense of humor they have. Okay, that's good then. Oh, can I kaboom them? Oh, I can. No, 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 no. I saved anyways. And it's hard for me to pay attention to chat while like engaging with other people. So like collabs overall is just like a once in a while kind of thing for me. No! The other thing is repo is a new anytime I play a new game, I get overwhelmed. It ease myself into it. Damn it! I'm out of. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Now, I need to make it count. Oh, one down. That guy won't travel further than that. When attacked, he gets. Boom. One more. Nice. Do you start? Did you have a 2 weeks notice for your new gig, Nil Pointer? 30-day notice. Okay, okay. You know how much the notice period is for Saudi? 2 months. Yeah, it's fucked. It is very long. I don't understand it. Use bash on light bursts. Okay. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Boom. But from what I've seen, like you give the 2 months notice and they usually let you go earlier. Yeah, it is. It's allowed by the government. The heck? Oh, that door's unlocked. Nice. Oh, I guess I would just need to dash. Oh, but there's a thing there. Got it. Just had to clear a Jira board. Companies usually try to get as much. Yeah. I would reject extra work. What are they gonna do? Fire me? I will reject extra work, but I will just so that we don't burn bridges. I would help with um, knowledge transfer. I've set everything up at work so that, like, in the case that I get another gig, I can transfer everything. Right now, I'm gatekeeping. Security 101. I don't remember this part of the map from when I first played. No, no, no. Oh, this is the home. Wait, what happened here? I got let go. They got rid of all the front end devs and contract without a cause. Got a good settlement. Nice. I'll give you a task, cybersec. You need an app checked. Okay. Send it, guess. If it's front end devs, yeah. It's likely. What about zero tier? It's good, by the way. I've used it a little bit. If you want to set up like it's similar to Tailscale. Oh, the company was acquired. I'll go on here. Oh, another fast travel point. Guess that's it. Fully explored. Nothing else. Guess to get there. Four ability points. Charge dash. Speed efficiency, ultra light burst. Cinder flame. Here, let's increase the strength. Where else now? I'm really hungry. I think I'm gonna call it. Continue this another time. That early stream went well. Thank you all for hanging. Thank you all, Theo, if you're still around for the raid. You're close to 500 followers. Just one more. Maybe it'll happen tomorrow. Big milestone.